Hey, what's going on, guys? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Lester Diaz's Facebook Income School 2.0, all right? And you're wondering, is this a good program to actually start generating income on the internet? Can you use it to make money for yourself as a side income, full-time income? Is it legit? What does it actually cover? Let's talk all about it, all right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email. You can check it out if you want. Now, I've been on marketing online for over 15 years. I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online, all sorts of different courses, free websites, paid websites, different business models, Amazon FBA, YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, SMMA, you name it, I have reviewed it. And some of them are great and you can make a lot of money potentially, but a lot of them very, very difficult. You can make tiny little money, waste of time, and some of them are just straight up scams, okay? So let's take a look at Lester Diaz's program to find out whether this is a good strategy for you to start making some money online, right? Now, if you've ever come across Lester's stuff, this is basically the opt-in page for you to check out his Facebook Income School 2.0, right? So you just put your email address in there and then it'll lead you to this page where he breaks down exactly what his program is about. Now, first of all, the thing I want to say about Lester is that he's a very, very successful internet marketer. He's very big on Facebook monetization. He's also very big on YouTube, actually. He's got a channel that's almost 100,000 subscribers at the time of recording this video. So this guy knows exactly what he's doing, right? Now, the thing that really interested me about Facebook Income School 2.0 is that he's teaching a skill that hardly anybody talks about. Okay, so what is it? He's basically teaching you not how to run ads necessarily on Facebook, but he's teaching you how to monetize content videos that you create on Facebook, and the way that it works is it's exactly like YouTube monetization or YouTube automation, if you've ever done that before, where you would create faceless, or you can use your face if you want, but the nice thing I like about it is you don't necessarily have to show your face, all right? And you would create videos and viral content on Facebook, and when Facebook shares them all over Facebook, right, they show ads on your videos. And then Facebook will pay you for those ads being shown. Very, very cool. So you're not actually selling anything. You're not trying to sell a product. You're not really doing affiliate marketing. You're not doing drop shipping. You're not doing Amazon FBA. All you're doing is you're creating content that will be interesting for people. Facebook's going to show it on their platform. And the more virality that happens, the more ads that get shown on top of your videos. And then Facebook pays you directly for placing those ads on your videos. So basically what you have to get really good at is creating good videos that people will want to watch, okay? And so you can either show your face, or you can do it exactly like YouTube automation style, where you don't ever have to show your face at all, right? And there's very, very few people teaching this skill set. And so when I came across Lester's program, it was very interesting for me because I also do YouTube automation. It's one of the things that I do, and it's a great way to generate income. But I've never heard of Facebook monetization, which is basically the same thing. It's just on Facebook, okay? And so he's teaching you how to do that in his program. And if you kind of go through this, he's gonna break it all down and show you exactly how to do that. Now, let's talk a little bit about the program, how much it costs, what he's gonna cover, is it good or not, right? And should you try this out, okay? So it's 50 over lessons, okay? He covers everything from how to create a Facebook page, because that's how it starts. You have to create a Facebook page. You have to brand it, make it look nice, all that stuff. He teaches you all to how to do that in detail. He talks about niche research very deeply. That's very important. You got to be in the right niche. Otherwise, if you're creating videos, people aren't going to watch them because it's not going to go viral, all right? He teaches you niche analysis. He teaches you how to build your page properly, all the insights, how to optimize it, all the important things, right? Then he talks all about video, how to create the actual video. Do you do it yourself? Do you do the voiceovers, the editing? How does it look? Reels, things like that. Can you hire outsourcers, right? So you don't necessarily have to create the videos yourself. You can outsource the videos. By the way, if you don't create the videos yourself and you outsource them, which is probably the easier thing to do, right? It's going to cost a little bit of money, all right? Because you have to pay voiceover artists, you have to pay the scripters, you have to pay the person who actually creates the video, the editors. So it does cost a little bit of money, and it depends on how long or short the video is. If the video is a little bit longer, look to spend over $50 a video. But if it's a shorter video, then it'll be a little bit cheaper, okay? You can spend, $10 a video, $20 a video, sometimes even less, depending on how short the video is. If it's like a quick, 1 minute video, you could spend like $5 on a video. Okay, it's not that expensive, but you would have to create it yourself in that respect. You just pay an editor, they'll edit it for $4 or $5, but you would have to be in the video, or you would have to create the video. So lots of different types of videos you can create, but just understand that if you're going to outsource it, you do need a little bit of a budget for the video. Okay, and because you have to upload lots of videos, then sometimes the budget can, it might be quite a lot depending on how many videos and types of videos you want to create. Just understand that. Okay, or you can do it all yourself. All right, then the next thing he's going to teach is how do you promote your page. Because when you first start on Facebook, your page is going to be zero, right? He's assuming that you're someone who's a beginner. Maybe you've been doing it for a while, and this is also for intermediate and advanced people too. But if you are just getting started, your page is going to be zero. So you have to spend money on advertising to promote your page, to get people to view it and for followers to like your page, all right? And that's important because in order for you to qualify for Facebook monetization, Facebook has specific requirements, all right? So that's why when you're going through Lester's stuff, he does say that you do need to go through a process before Facebook will approve you for monetization. And roughly that's going to take about 3 months, even though he has students that have done it quicker, okay? So it's not something where you're going to start making money immediately from day number 1, which is okay, by the way, because all legitimate online businesses take a little bit of time for you to grow it. All right, so if you think about it, if Lester is teaching you a real skill set, excuse me, that you can do really well for the long term, you have to understand that it is going to take a little bit of time. All right, now on top of that, he has a Facebook group which has over 700 students that hang out. Again, at the time of recording this video, there might be even more right now. And you can ask questions in there, and people respond, and it's very engaging, which is really, really good. Okay, so how much does this cost, right? Now the thing is that for what it is, it's actually not expensive at all. It's only $197. That's actually really cheap for such a detailed program. All right, so Lester could charge over $1,000 for this. Some people would probably even price this at $2,000. So for what you're getting with Facebook Income School 2.0, $197 is actually really cheap for a program like this. It's very detailed, right? 50 lessons. There's a 14-day refund, but you must have consumed at least 50% of the program. So if you buy the program and you only consume 10%, or you don't consume anything at all, you're not going to get a refund. Okay, so make sure you actually go through some of the program, and in his case it's 50% of the program, right? Now he also has a done for you thing. So if you want a done for you page from Lester, he charges $499. So you've got a page that already has followers, so you don't necessarily have to spend money on ads building it up. So that's an additional thing. It's 100% optional. You don't have to do it, but he has that option there if you would like it. He's got a bunch of bonuses as well, which are really cool actually, and you can check them out right here. All right, reposting strategy. He's got the RPM boost method, the Facebook live hack, all very, very cool strategies there to help you to grow this even more. So what do I think of Facebook Income School 2.0? Is this a good way for you to make money? Now, there are a couple of things that I want to mention first of all, right? I think that if you're willing to do the work, if you're willing to learn this properly, if you're willing to be consistent and create videos, it's better if you have a little bit of a budget, because not everybody is good at editing video, right? If you don't have a budget to create, to pay someone to do the videos for you, freelancers, then you have to get good at editing video, which is not the easiest thing to do. Just understand that, okay? Another thing as well is if you have to do the videos yourself, then, well, there's two ways. You can show your face, or you don't need to necessarily show your face, but either way, you still have to learn how to do that. So if you're not very good at video, you do need a little bit of a budget to make this strategy work, okay? On top of that, besides paying for the videos themselves, you need a little bit of an ad budget to grow your Facebook page. Okay, so I would say minimum $500 to $1,000 a month to do that, right? Because it just costs a little bit of money to grow your Facebook channel. That's just the way it works, okay? Facebook, the ad platform has been around for years. It's not the cheapest ad platform anymore, right? So you do need a little bit of a budget to do this. Now, having said that, if you have the budget for it, this strategy is pretty darn cool, all right? And I think that Lester has done a really, really good job of teaching it. It's just that not everybody's going to be able to do it, because it does take a lot of effort, a lot of work. And I think you need a little bit of a budget to make this work properly, okay? And it does take time, so you're gonna need patience, which is okay. You just have to understand that building any business online, whether it's Facebook monetization, YouTube automation, Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, whatever it is, it's gonna take a little bit of time to grow. But can you get to $5,000 a month, which is basically what he's talking about, right? Well, here he says $3,000 a month, which is nice, you know, because he's not saying you're gonna make, you know, $20,000-$30,000 a month in 90 days. He's saying, you know, these are realistic numbers, okay? $3,000 a month in under 90 days. It might take you a little bit longer. You know, monetization strategies always take a little bit of time. All right, so please expect it to take a little bit of time. You might not get to $3,000 a month in 90 days. It might take you 6 months. It might take you a year, right? It really depends on you and how much effort that you put in. But I do think that Lester's program is a very, very good Facebook monetization program. Actually, it's really cool. Like I was very, you know, intrigued when I started to review it, because I'd never actually heard of it before, and I've reviewed a lot of stuff online, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different programs, strategies, business models, and all that stuff. So, you know, it's got my stamp of approval. I think that this is a very legit strategy. If you have the time, the patience, and the budget for it, then I think Lester has done a really, really good job of putting this program together. So if you want to check it out, fbincomeschool.com, all right? And you're gonna come to fbincomeschool.com. You'll come to this page, you can opt in, and then this is basically where you can purchase Lester's program, and you can check it out right here for a really cheap $197. It comes with a refund as well. All right, so if you want to get into Facebook monetization, check out Lester's program, all right? Now, if you're here watching this video right now, and maybe you're in research mode, right? Maybe you don't know what you want to do. Maybe you just know that you want to make money online. On this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet, and out of all of them, I still have one favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home. If you would like to check out that strategy for free, click the link below, and I'll send you that straight to your email. You can check it out if you want. I hope you enjoyed this review of Lester's program, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.